Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve camera lag problem on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to solve camera lag problem, so how to solve camera lag problem in this video friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first of all on your phone camera, after on guys you can see this type interface. Friends, you want to use your portrait mode, night mode, camera setting, you can use from here. Friends, click on setting, and friends you can see your camera setting. Friends, you want to on your shooter sound, you can on. Friends, you want to on your location, you can on location. Friends, you can see advanced setting. Friends, you can see watermark. Friends, you want to on your watermark on your Realme phone device, so you can on guys your camera watermark from here. Friends, click on last option, restore to default setting. Click here and restore means reset. Friends, after reset friends, now off your phone screen, and friends now use. So friends, now you can use guys your camera setting guys without any lag problem on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on your flash camera, so friends you can take photo with flash guys. Click here auto flip on direct. Friends, you want to on, so you can on. Friends, you want to set timer. Friends, you can set timer guys after 3 2 1 photo will click automatic. So like that friends, you can set timer. And friends, you want to increase timer, you want to set into 10 seconds. Click here 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 tap. Friends, you can click photo with timer also, and friends you don't want to use, direct click here and off it. So like that friends, you can solve your camera lag problem and you can use your camera setting. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.